Hey and welcome to Alpha 1. In this video I will run Alpha Master. It's a free binary option robot that do not use martingale. You can download this robot also, just use the link you see up here right now, or you can just use the link you find below the video. Also included in the link below the video is a promo code that gives you 50% on your first deposit as long as you deposit more than $100, okay? Otherwise you can deposit more, less or more. But if you do less, then you don't get this 50% for the promo code, okay? Also, make sure in the end of the video I will explain in detail how this binary option work, so you can understand what you're getting before you download it. Of course, it's free, but so you don't waste your time. So check the end of the video, okay? Also, if you like this type of videos, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question at all, put them below the video. Also below the video you find a link to my free WhatsApp community. There I give my forex trade and my binary option trades, so you get free signals there. So if you have any interest about that, check it out. But now let's start up Alpha Master. So there we have it, we got a winning trade. Now I explain a little how this binary option robot take trades. So he is using three indicators. I will explain not by revealing exactly the things, because you need to download this robot to get exact settings and all these type of things. But the thing is, he do look at support resistance, but not only that, at the same time, of course, RSI. So when we are very low in the RSI, we'll take a trade. And also when we are breaking out of the bullish band. So in that case, for example, when you see this bar here, this one will probably break out of the bullish band. The RSI was probably low here. And then at the same time, then you see here, we have our resistance that is also support here. And then typically when you get all these strings combined, we break up again from that area. If you don't have all these three things, sometimes support and resistance can be breaking through super simple. But if you have all the three, that's why I have combined these three, then the probability for a winning trade is huge. So now let's go and take a look at the trade we just have done. I removed the robot so you can see all the numbers correctly. So let's go here now. You can see the trade from yesterday. We are only going to look at the trade for today. So let's push apply. You can see I do big trades. I start with that because before I did many trades and I made like $100 trade. Now I go just for one trade a day because why not? The win rate is so high. If I get a loser, I go for 2 more trades. That's how I do it right now. And you see it every day. I get 1 trade and I win. Of course, this will not work forever. I will get a losing trade, but I choose a very good time to trade. First of all, I see the market is calm. I see that you have nothing in places like here, for example, in investing.com. I check, do we have 3-star news? How is it? You see, for example, we are now in the market right here. You see we are done with the news for dollar. We don't need to wait so long time. Like here, you see the last news was here. So you see that we are done with that. We are calm. Next news are coming just 11 my time. So that is basically in a little more than 1 hour. So you're safe there. So it's a very good time to trade around here. Okay. And then of course I go to the, and I see that are we going sideways, we take then down to the 1 minute, we see how the market looks like. This looks quite nice. You see that we, all the time if we come down we go a little up. We see, look at all this, we just look through a few pairs, we said this is perfect. And then when I see all these type of things, I take a trade. Okay, so now let's take a look at the trade we have just done. So you see we made a profit of $506. That's amazing. You see one trade, 100% win rate, and that's it. Amazing, right? So you can download this robot also. You see this robot thing up here right now. Just push that and you can download, or just use the link you find below the video. So with that, have an amazing day.